this insensitive government is not bothered about the common man. आमकां जेन्ना आमी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डिपार्टमेंटाचेर जेन्ना एक LAQ घातलेलो त्या वेळार LAQचेर आमकां we got to know that the tariff or the hike जेन्ना आमी the Goa government has proposed a hike of 7 to 14%. जे जग आहा तेमी they have proposed a hike to burden the common man. आणि जेन्ना आमी प्रश्न घातलेलो त्या वेळार आमकां गमोन येलें की 4 वर्सांक from up to 2022, so 2018 to 2020, this government has spent 12,000 crores on improving the infrastructure of the electricity department. What for continuous power supply is uninterrupted power supply given to the people of Goa, and 12,000 Janna crores have been spent in the past. I request the Honorable Power Minister, he should look into this. It was not during his tenure, but आज 3 times they proposed this hike. बारीक लोकांक सोदावपाचो प्रयत्न जाला. आज कोट्यांनी पैसे जे इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट जावं हांकां हे पैसे दिवपा आहाय, पूण बारीक लोकांक जेन्ना बिल 1 म्हण 2 म्हण बोलना जाल्यार तांकां नोटीस येता डिस्कनेक्शनाचे. सो वाय आर दीज नॉट taken from these power guzzlers, from industrialists for several years? These bills are pending. आम्ही ते विधानसभेत मांडले. So we condemn this. We will protest against this hike because this seems to be the New Year's gift to Goans by this BJP government. We protest against this hike. It is not in the interest of the people of Goa. आज जेन्ना इतली म्हारगाई जाल्या, and now this looks like with the times of COVID coming back, whether people will be able to afford this after they are just being recovering from this COVID, and now 7 to 14% is the hike. There are 3,500 defaulters as per the government reply. So they should get the amount from these people, and then rather than putting this on the innocent people of Goa.
And तुमचं कोड ऐकलं आम्ही की some department also are जे amount हा ती बिलाची pending असा.
So the electricity department, their own department bills are pending. Several other departments are pending, not only electricity department. Almost most of the departments are pending. Thank you, Why you all put this against innocent Goans?